Good morning, guys. We've come to a private location today, and we have Jatin from Rockhounding India come over to Pune, and we are a surface collecting crystals in this location. What we found over here is a perfect crystal vein. That's an Apophyllite vein which is coming straight from the above. This is a piece what Jatin found. It's an Apophyllite. Looks like a green Apophyllite with a nice point. So he got an Apophyllite crystal. He also got us a crystal gift that he gave to us, and we'll unbox it and see what we have in that crystal gift. And this was a package that was given to us by Jatin from Rockhounding India. So let's open this package and see what crystal do we have inside this. Wow. Look at this beautiful crystal. Such a nice Calcite. It is a collector's item. It is being polished, and this is such a beauty. It is such a beauty. Thank you so much, Jatin. Thank you so much for this. I always wanted this as a collection in my crystal gallery. Thank you.